Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sarychev here, and today I want to show you quickly a very nice study by by Sarychev brothers. So this reminds me a Red Sea favorite study where king chases the pawn, and even though it looks really far away, he manages to capture it. So in this position, it's white's turn to move. Unfortunately, they cannot win, because of this idea. Black takes the queen, and unfortunately, we cannot capture this pawn. And if we capture the bishop, then pawn moves to b5, and black wins. So the same, you could stop this by playing king e6, but unfortunately after king f4 the position is even worse. If you queen, then we win to the same skewer, and black gains control of the f file. So if you think here, how would you play? So actually the right move is this move, king to c8, attacking the pawn. So we have to save it. We play b5, pawn is going in the black's direction, and here is important to play the right move, king to d7. If you play here, then black stops from queening, and white cannot capture this pawn on b5. So king here, and let's give this check, like kind of stopping the queening, and it looks like king cannot capture, but king d6, b4, and king to e5. Now we attack the bishop. We are not in time to win this, because white will queen next turn. So, and if we defend, king miraculously gets to d4 and stops this pawn from queening. And so in this position also black can try b4, and after king d6, again you have to stop the c8 from queening, and it's the same idea that white king is in time to stop this pawn. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.